I'm doing fine.
How was your experience with Champion Chevrolet Service Department today?
Very good. I'm always happy with John's as a service advisor to get things done right for me.
Thank you. We love the feedback, and we love you to keep on coming and having your car serviced today at Champion Chevrolet and every time you come.
Well, having a lovely lady, a pretty lady like you to talk to makes the stay delightful.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. We appreciate your service, and we appreciate you keep on coming back to us. Have a wonderful day, Sam.
You do.